Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert PDF to high quality or high resolution PNG images using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is my PDF file. Now select this tools option and select an export PDF option and select image and select the PNG option and click on the setting option and here you can see interlace option filter and this RGB option. You can change also, you can change grayscale option as color space you can change, and this is resolution option, and here you can change your high resolution option and choose here this one and select OK and export and select your destination folder where you want to save your PDF images and save. See this, our PDF file now converting as PNG high resolution. And see this asset properties is PNG, sorry, this one properties, and this is PNG and this image details. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.